Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Streaming Data Pipelines with Kafka, written by Stefan Springer.
Streaming data pipelines provide an effective solution for real-time data syncing, helping data-driven businesses optimize operations and stay competitive. Data pipelines replicate and process data from sources to sinks. Traditional batch pipelines have limitations such as infrequent updates, heavy data source load, and processing delays. In contrast, streaming pipelines process real-time incremental updates using connectors and event stores. Streaming pipelines provide benefits like up-to-date data, efficient resource usage, and minimal impact on databases, but they require expertise and have complex architectures. This book helps readers navigate data streaming challenges and implement streaming data pipelines successfully. Batch and stream processing differ in their treatment of datasets. Stream processing handles unbounded datasets with event time, while batch processing treats datasets as bounded and finite. In stream processing, events are assigned to windows, while batch processing defines a global window over all events. Therefore, batch processing is a subset of stream processing. Streams of change events and materialized tables are closely related. Streams resemble historical change logs, while tables are snapshots of a dataset at a specific time. Streaming data pipelines process data change events in streams, while batch pipelines work with table snapshots. Batch pipelines can be optimized to extract only changed records since the last execution, allowing for more frequent scheduling and improved processing of unbounded datasets. Streaming data pipelines can handle batch workloads by replacing the source connector with a batch job, but this may not be the most efficient approach since many components might remain idle. Streaming data pipelines are suitable for consuming unbounded datasets, such as replicating data from transactional databases, monitoring database changes, working with IoT sensor data, and migrating between database systems. Batch processing is better for tasks like processing static CSV files once per day, making custom API calls for each row, and generating reports for specific accounting data days. This book explores streaming data pipelines using Apache Kafka. We will cover implementing connectors with Kafka Connect and developing stream processors with Kafka Streams. This guide will prepare you to develop, deploy, and operate streaming data pipelines with Apache Kafka and its ecosystem. We will discuss topics such as deployment, operations, and monitoring, using a realistic case study from an e-commerce company throughout the book. The next chapter introduces the data streaming landscape and popular technologies. Part 2 focuses on integrating streaming data pipelines with external data sources and sinks using Kafka Connect. Part 3 covers real-time data processing with Kafka Streams, including stateless and stateful transformations. Part 4 discusses the deployment, monitoring, performance tuning, and error handling of streaming data pipelines. By the end of this book, you will be able to serve real-time data, understand essential concepts, overcome challenges, set up connectors, develop stream processors, tune performance, scale pipelines, and debug and monitor your pipelines.
Get this book at manning.com